Hello guys, I am a duck and I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own cover letter without using those websites. What I mean by those websites is the websites that you go to that have cover letter template for you readily made, and you go through the process of it. Maybe you even signed up, but by the end of it, you're trying to finish it up and download it, but then they want you to pay. You feel frustrated and then you feel like you wasted your time. I got you guys. I will teach you guys how to make a cover letter by yourself. You know, it's very simple, very fast, and the best part, it's free, and you can style it the way that you guys want to. All you need is Google Doc or Word document and you should be ready to go. In this case, we're going to use Google Docs. So once you're in here, first thing you need to do, click fonts, choose the font that you guys want, okay? There's a lot of flexibility. It's not MLA format where you need to follow certain guidelines, stuff like that, just kind of annoying. So choose the font that you guys think is nice, something easy, something simple and direct. Now don't do something in cursive, that's not nice on the eyes. Something direct and easy. So like Calibri, Times New Roman, Arial, Roboto, up to you. If you want to Calibri like I'm gonna use, click more fonts, type in Calibri, get it, and you guys, that's it. Now you guys have Calibri. The next thing, the first thing you need to have on your cover letter is your name, okay? So we're gonna expand it, the font size to 20. And then we want to make our name big. You want to let them know who you are, okay? I'm going to put Duck Student. So put your name there. Also, Calibri is a nice font. I do recommend it. I am promoting it. But yeah, it's a nice font. Then we're going to left align, right align. Really doesn't matter. Up to you. But for style purposes, we're going to right align just for fun. Then we're going to press enter. We're going to return to size 11. Now the size and text of your cover letter is up to you. You can do 11, 12, 13 maybe, or even 10, okay? Just nothing too big and nothing too small, okay? Just make it a nice size. Now there's a lot of cover letter out there that has a line that divides the name and then the content of the cover letter to add more style to it. So I personally don't do it, but I'll teach you guys how to do it. So all you need to do is press insert, go to drawing, then press new. Now, once you do that, you gotta press a line, so you can draw a line. Make sure that it's this line, okay, not the arrow line. Now, when you guys draw a line, it doesn't matter how long it is. You just gotta make sure it's straight. You don't wanna slope up or slope down. Just make it a straight, nice line. To do that, make sure everything right here is aligned, and you guys should be ready to go. So I'm just gonna line it up. I'm gonna try to line it up, actually. There we go. We have a nice looking line. Press save and close. Then expand that line to make sure it's a straight line. It is a straight line. Now, let's say you don't like how thick the line is. Maybe it's too thin. Press edit, click the line again, click on line weight, 4 pixel, let's say. Let's make it thicker, okay? Then expand it, and then it looks nice. I like this line, okay? Now, you need to adjust it to make it look nice. Now, here's the thing. My tip is don't manually adjust it like this because you're never gonna get it right, okay? All you need to do is press these 3 dots, image option, size and rotation, go to width and click 6.5. The reason why you put 6.5 is because right here, it needs to be 6.5 for our right margin. And then you're ready to go. That's all you need to do. Then you press space again, and then you have the line that divides your name and the rest of the cover letter. We're gonna go to right alignment again, since we're going with the style of having a right alignment cover letter. So right here, I don't recommend this, okay? When you're sending your cover letter, do not put your home address, okay? That's my tip. What you need to put is something simple, okay? The thing is, when you put your home address and stuff, you know, they might sell your information, and that could not be a good thing sometimes. So who knows who you're applying to, okay, sometimes? So what you need to do is just put your city, comma, then put your state, then zip code, okay? Just enough to know where you live, just not everything, okay? Do not put your home address and everything like that. Just city, state, zip code, and you should be good. Then you need to divide this part. For aesthetic reasons, I'm gonna use a bar, so shift, and then use this bar, and then space, and then you need to put your telephone. Then you could do it again. This time you put your email. So this is where you live, how they can contact you, and an alternative if needed. Press double space again. Then this time you're gonna put the date. So when are you guys writing this cover letter, okay? Or whatever date you guys want. We're gonna press double space again, and then we're gonna go to left alignment. Now, right here you're gonna put RE, then colon, and then put the position you are applying for. This part is whatever your position you're trying to achieve. So maybe digital content creator, I don't know, whatever position. I don't know the position that you guys want, but just put the position that you guys want right there. Then you're gonna press double space again, and then you're gonna put Dear Hiring Manager. You can put this, then put a comma. You can put this or the name of your hiring manager. Up to you, whatever preference that you guys want. Just whoever is gonna read this cover letter, okay? We're gonna press double enter again, and this is the most important part about the cover letter. It is the content within that matters, okay? Now, a lot of people get confused that, should I put the things on my resume again? No, okay? Do not put the same things on your resume on your cover letter, okay? That's just redundant. If you're doing that, what's the point of a cover letter when they can just read your resume, right? The point of a cover letter, just to be clear, is that it's a brief introduction of who you are and why you're applying, okay? Just to give them an idea, just a bit of an idea of who you are. The resume is the full package of who you are. The cover letter is just a brief introduction, okay? If that makes any sense, okay? So do not state everything on your resume on your cover letter. That's just a waste of time. So we're gonna double space. So I'm gonna give you guys an example to help you guys out. So for the first paragraph, you should state why you, where did you find this job, okay? Maybe you found it on a website, Indeed.com, maybe from a friend recommendation. Tell them, where did you find this job, okay? Where did you find the job? Then you're gonna tell them why you are applying for this job. Let's say that. Why are you applying for this job, okay? You can be like, I meet the requirement, you know, the qualification. I have expertise in this field. I have experience on this field. I'm giving you a bunch of ideas, okay? I have knowledge on this field, and I think I fit what you need, and I will be an asset to the company, okay? So why you say this, you got to go to paragraph 2, okay? Your second paragraph is, hey, I need to talk more about this, okay? You need to talk about the skill set and the traits that you have that will be an asset, okay? So you're giving them more of an idea of what that is. So let's say, I will give you guys an example, okay? So traits and skills is paragraph 2. So I'll give you an example for paragraph 2. You can be like, I believe that I have the necessary tools and skills to exceed in this position. And then you're gonna put a colon and then double space. Then you're gonna put bullet points, okay? So let's say I'm applying for digital content specialists, let's say. You're gonna list traits that are relevant to this field, okay? And what you're good at, okay? So if I'm applying for digital content specialist, I would put I'm good at Adobe. Maybe I've done Canva. Maybe I've done YouTube, SEO, you know? List maybe 3 or 5 skill traits that you have here. And let's see, let's think of another one. Instagram, okay? Okay, because this job is relating to social media, okay? That's why I'm listing these kind of stuff. But yeah, list all these traits that you guys have. Do not make it more than 5. Just keep it between 3 to 5, just to give them an idea, okay? Now, you're gonna go to paragraph 3. And in this paragraph, you need to expand on paragraph 2. What I mean by expand is, why are these skills relevant to you, okay? Maybe you've done YouTube. I've been a content creator, okay? Something like that, okay? You need to expand. Okay, this is a bad sentence. Do not write it like this, okay? Don't make it too simple. You need to expand. You need to talk about what relevant skills you have with it. Maybe you've done Instagram. Maybe you work for Instagram influencers out there. Maybe you're a content creator at YouTube. You've done Canva. You have experience with Adobe Photoshop to make art style for other people, you know? I talk to them, what are your experience with it? Work experience, you know, personal projects, stuff like that, okay? And then for the closing, it's very simple. You just need to close out very nicely and sincerely. So you can be like, I've attached my resume for more details on my qualifications, just to give you guys an idea. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to reach out to me, and then period. That's all you need. Something simple, very nice to end with a closing, okay? You guys can be like, if you have any more questions, contact me, call me, message me, email me. It's just to, if they have questions on your cover letter, they're like, I want to know more about this. This is a way they can reach out to you, you know? So they can feel like they can talk to you, create a connection with you. And then the last thing is you got to put sincerely, comma, and then you need to sign your name. Well, how do you sign your name in a digital cover letter? Very simple. Just put your name really quick. Put Duck Student. Don't put Duck Student. Put your name. Highlight it. Then go find a cursive font. So I use this one. You guys can use another one if you guys want. And then boom. It looks like it's a signature. If you're not writing this by hand, this is a way to improvise, okay? And then there you go. You guys have your cover letter. It's very simple. Don't make it too hardcore. Just make it a brief introduction of who you are. Now, for style-wise, you guys can change it up. Maybe you guys don't like the right alignment. Make it a left alignment. You don't like the bars, the line that separates them, make it a dash, you know. Matter of fact, if you don't like the dash, make it just separate, you know. Separate them from one line to multiple lines, you know. It really comes down to what you guys like, okay? Just make it nice and make it fit your style. Maybe you don't like this bar, delete the bar, you know. If you want to change the color of the bar, click edit. Click, where is it? Font color, change it to blue, press save and close. And then, oh wow, that looks horrible. Do not change it to this blue, that looks really bad, okay? Maybe you don't want the bar to separate them. Well, change it up, okay? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the bar up and past Duck Student. And then we're gonna make the bar smaller right here, boom. Maybe you want that style instead, although this doesn't look as nice without other details as well. But yeah, if you don't want to put Dear Hiring Manager, change it up, you know. It's up to your style. These things are very simple. To give you guys inspiration and idea of how you guys should design it, just Google some example. It will give you an idea, and whatever fits your style, go for it. But this is how your overall cover letter should be. But anyways, hopefully this has helped you guys out. Remember to leave a like if it did. Subscribe for more duck content, and send this and share this to a friend that may need this for their, you know, cover letter for whatever job that they're looking for. Help them out. But guys, remember, I am a duck and I am out.